Natalie folded one whole fraction strip as pictured above. A. How many equal parts did she divide the whole into? B. Label each equal part with a unit fraction. C. Identify the fraction of the strip she shaded. D. Identify the fraction of the strip she did not shade. Draw two rectangles the same size. Each rectangle represents one whole. A. Partition each rectangle into 3 equal parts. Shade and label a fraction greater than 1. B. Draw a number bond that shows one whole rectangle as 3 unit fractions. The bakery had a chocolate cake and a vanilla cake that were exactly the same size. Mr. Chu bought 1/4 of the chocolate cake. Mrs. Ramirez bought 1/6 of the vanilla cake. Who bought a larger piece of cake? Explain your answer using words, pictures, and numbers. Natalie explained, my drawing shows a picture of 3 halves. Cosmo says, it looks like a picture of 3 quarters to me. A. Show and explain how they could both be correct by choosing different wholes. Use words, pictures, and numbers. B. Natalie said to Cosmo, one part can represent either 1/2 or 1/4. That must mean 1/2 equals 1/4. Do you agree with Natalie? Use words, pictures, and numbers to explain your reasoning.